Welcome to SalesGO. Creating a customer account doesn't have to mean manually entering every detail. With SalesGO, you can simply scan a customer's visiting card and let the app do the work for you. In just a few taps, the information from the visiting card is captured and used to create a customer account, significantly reducing manual data entry and saving valuable time in the field. Once the details are imported, you can quickly review the information, make any necessary changes, and save the account with confidence. The newly created account is instantly available across the Visits module, making it easy to schedule meetings, record customer interactions, and manage future visits from one centralized platform. By simplifying account creation, SalesGO helps reduce administrative work, improve data accuracy, and keep customer information organized without slowing down your day. That means less time entering information and more time meeting customers, building relationships, and growing your business. And that's how you can create a customer account using a visiting card in the SalesGO Visits module. Thank you for watching.